Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about sum to n terms of special series. Dear students, we shall now find the sum of first n terms of some special series, namely first 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, that is sum of first n natural numbers. Second 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus up to n square, that is sum of squares of the first n natural numbers. Third 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube, that is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. First we discuss sum of first n natural numbers. Let sum here, let s means sum. Let s equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, and sum of these here, this is equal to summation n or summation k, where k varies from 1 to n, means summation n can be written as summation k, where k varies from 1 to n. Means we have to find the sum of first n natural numbers here. Dear students, here this series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, this is an AP in which first term a is equal to 1 and the last term, which is denoted by L, is equal to n. Therefore, sum equal to n by 2 a plus L. A you have given 1 and L is equal to n. So, n by 2 1 plus n, and this can be written as summation k, where k varies from 1 to n, or summation n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Meaning of that is the sum of first n natural numbers equal to n into n by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. And here this is the same meaning, means summation k, where k varies from 1 to n, equal to summation n. Dear students, it is also called the sigma. Can you read here? We can read this sigma k, where k varies from 1 to n, equal to sigma n also. Second, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Let s means sum of squares of first n natural numbers equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, and this is equal to summation n square. Dear students, we use the identity x cube minus x minus 1 whole cube, and we simplify this, we get this is equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Here putting x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n here in the above identity, that is x cube minus x minus 1 whole cube equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 1. We get 1 cube minus 0 cube equal to 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. When x is equal to 2, 2 cube minus 2 minus 1, we get 1. 2 cube minus 1 cube, this is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Similarly, when x is equal to 3, we get 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1. And using this pattern here, when x is equal to n, we get n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube equal to 3 into n square minus 3 into n plus 1. Dear students, adding above correspondingly means left side to left side and right side to right side. Here, if we add left side here, this is 1 cube and here this is minus 1 cube. So both will be cancelled. Similarly, 3 cube, 2 cube minus 2 cube. Here this is plus, this is minus, so both will be cancelled. Similarly, 3 cube and minus 3 cube both will be cancelled, and so on. Here n minus 1 whole cube and minus n minus 1 whole cube both will be cancelled because one is positive and this is negative. And finally only we get here n cube minus 0 cube, and this is equal to here, if we take common from the squares term, we get 3 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, minus here we can also take 3 as common, minus 3. So in bracket we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, plus here 1 1 1 up to n times, that is n terms. So n cube minus 0 cube equal to, here we can write, this is the sum of n terms, so we can write 3 summation n square minus 3 summation n. This is sum of n terms, and here sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, and this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, sum of first n natural numbers, and this can be written as 3 summation n square minus 3 summation n, and here 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus n up to n times, so sum of this is n. And here we have to find sigma n square, so keep this here one side, 3 sigma n square equal to, if we transfer here on other side, we get n cube plus 3 sigma n minus n, and this is equal to n cube plus sigma n. Already we have proved here, sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the value of sigma n. So we put this value here. We can write n cube plus 3 into n plus 1 by 2 minus n. We simplify above, we get this is equal to 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n by 2. And here if we, here 3n minus 2n, we get n, and we will take n common here, so we get n into 2n square plus 3n plus 1 by 2. And if we factorize this here, 2n square plus 3n plus 1, we get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. Here this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, not n plus 2 here. This is 2n plus 1. If we factorize this, 2n square plus 3n plus 1, so we get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2. Here this is 3 into sigma n square. So what is sigma n square? Equal to, or summation n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2 into 3, and finally we get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is sum of squares of first n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now we will discuss about sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. Let sum equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube, and this can be written as summation n cube or summation k cube, where k varies from 1 to n. Dear students, we use here x to power 4 minus x minus 1 to the power 4, means first we use this identity x to power 4 minus x minus 1 to the power 4 using this formula here, and the value of this is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square plus 4x minus 1, and here putting x is equal to 1 2 3 and so on up to n, we get here 1 to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4 equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 1. When x is equal to 2, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 4 into 3 cube 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 1, and when x is equal to 3 we get 3 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4 is equal to 4 into 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 1, and using this pattern, when x is equal to n, in that case n to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4 equal to 4 into n cube minus 6 into n square plus 4 into n minus 1. Here adding above correspondingly means left side to left side, right side to right side. Here we get here already here 1 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 both will be cancelled. 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4 will be cancelled. Similarly 3 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 both will be cancelled, and so on. Here n minus 1 to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4 will be cancelled, and finally we get here minus 0 to the power 4 and here n to the power 4. So we get, after adding n to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4, and here on right side here in the cube terms we take 4 as a common, we get 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on n cube, minus square terms we take minus 6 as a common, we get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, and here in this term 4 into 1 4 into 2 means 1 2 3, in that case we take common 4, in bracket we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n, and here minus 1 up to n times, that is minus 1 minus we will take common, we write 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Here this is n times we can also say, and here n to the power 4 minus 0 to the power 4, this is the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. So so we write 4 summation n cube minus, here this is sum of squares of first n natural numbers, so we write minus 6 summation n square, and here this is sum of first n natural numbers, so we write 4 sigma n minus n. Here the value of this is n. So dear students, we have to find the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, means we have to find summation n cube. So here we keep one side 4 summation n cube and remaining terms we transfer on other side. We get 4 summation n cube is equal to n to the power 4 plus 6 summation n square minus 4 summation n plus n. N to the power 4 plus, already we know, here this is the sum of squares of the first n natural numbers, and here we get this is n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 6. So we put this value here, n to the power 4 plus 6 in n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus, this is the sum of first n natural number, so we put value 4 into n plus 1 by 2 plus n, and here we solve this here. You can easily understand, that is no problem, and finally we get this is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square. So summation n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and we can write here this is summation n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, we can write. So this is the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Now we will discuss about the solution of the questions of exercise 9.4 from NCERT. Question number 6. Find the sum of n terms of the series 3 into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus and so on. Dear students, here in this question, respective components of each term are forming an AP. Here 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. This is form an AP. Similarly 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on form another AP. To find the solution, already we have respective components of each term are forming an AP. So nth term equal to, already we know this is denoted by an, and this is equal to, here there are two APs form. One is 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, and second is 8, 11, 14 and so on. So what will be the nth term? For first AP, 3 into n minus 1 a plus n minus 1d. First term is 3 n minus 1 into d, that is 6 minus 3 equal to 9 minus 6, we get 3. So we get n plus 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. Similarly for second AP, we get 8 plus n minus 1 into 3, and we solve these two, we get 9n square plus 15n. Means we have to find the sum of these. Here sum of 9n square plus 15n here. that is sum of an. Already we have written here above, and the value of an equal to 9n square plus 15n. So Sn is equal to summation an, and this is equal to 9 summation n square plus 15 summation n, and here this is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers, and this is the sum of first n natural numbers. So we use the formula which we have discussed above. We can write 9 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 15 into n plus 1 by 2, and we solve this here. You can easily understand, that is no problem. We get 3n into n plus 1 into n plus 3. Therefore Sn equal to 3n into n plus 1 into n plus 3. This is the answer. Now we will discuss question number 7. Find the sum to n terms of the given series. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on. And here if we follow this pattern, for nth we have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. To find the solution, dear students, clearly each term of given sequence contains as many number of terms as the position of the term. Means this is the first position, so 1 square. For second, 1 square plus 3 square. For third, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. For fourth position, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. And for nth position, we get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on plus n square. So here we have written here, therefore nth term, and already we know this is an, and this is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square, and this is equal to summation n square. And already we have discussed about sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, and this is equal to n into n plus 1 plus into 2n plus 1 by 6. And here if we multiply the numerator, we get 1 by 6 into 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Now Sn, this is equal to summation an, and this is equal to 1 by 6 2 summation n cube plus 3 summation n square plus summation n. And here already we know about summation n cube, summation n square and summation n, which we have discussed above. This is the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. This is sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. This is the sum of first n natural numbers. And already we have discussed, and the value we will put here. We get 1 by 6 into 2 into n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 3 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, and plus sigma n, we write n into n plus 1 by 2, and we solve this. Finally we get here n into n plus 1 into n square plus 3n plus 2 by 12. And here again we factorize this, we get Sn is equal to n into n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2 by 12. and this is equal to n into n plus 1, here 2 times, so n plus 1 whole square, n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Therefore, the sum to n terms of the given series is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Now, we will discuss one more question. Question number 9. Find the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term is n square plus 2 to the power n. This is the nth term of the given series. We have to find the sum to n terms. Given an means nth term already we have given. This is equal to n square plus 2 to the power n. And what is the sum to n terms? That is Sn is equal to summation an, and this is equal to summation n square plus summation 2 to the power n. And already we know here this is the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So we write, and already we know what is the value of this here, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus here summation 2 to the power n means, and this can be written as summation 2 to the power k, where k varies from 1 to n, means we put the values n as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to n. So we get here 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 2 to the power n. This is the meaning of summation 2 to the power n. Dear students, we can see that here this is an AP. Here 2 square by 2 we get 2, 2 cube by 2 square we get 2, means common ratio, that is small r is equal to 2, that is common ratio. And first term a is equal to 2. Here common ratio r is greater than 1, so we use the formula in GP as Sn equal to a into r to power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r greater than 1. So we have written here 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Here already we have written here the meaning of this summation 2 to the power n equal to summation 2 to the power k, where k varies from 1 to n, and this is the meaning we have written here. And here this is also we have written, and here we can write in same thing here n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and here we solve this, we get 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1. So the sum to n terms of the given series is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1. Dear students, assignment is given, that is solve remaining questions of exercise 9.4 from NCERT. Thank you.